Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign in to Google Photos step by step. Whether you're using Google Photos for the first time or signing in on a new computer, this guide will help you get started quickly. First, open your favorite web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Next, click on the address bar, type Photos Google.com and press Enter. This will open the official Google Photos website. If you're not already signed in, you'll see the Sign In button in the top right corner. Click on it to continue. Now enter your Gmail or Google account email address. After typing your email, click the Next button. On the next screen, enter your Google account password carefully. Once you've entered your password, click Next again. If your account has two-step verification enabled, Google will ask you to verify your identity. Simply complete the verification using your phone, security code, or any method you've already set up. After the verification is complete, you'll be signed in to Google Photos. Now you'll see your Google Photos home page. Here you can view all your backed up photos and videos, search for specific memories, create albums, and manage your media from any device connected to your Google account. If you don't see your photos right away, don't worry. It may take a few moments for everything to load, especially if you have a large photo library. When you're finished using Google Photos on a shared or public computer, remember to click on your profile picture and select Sign Out to keep your account secure. And that's how you can easily sign in to Google Photos in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.